Well, the Fed yet gets the usual grade. 3 I's. Incomplete, idiot, imbecile. Once again, they blew their opportunity to do the right thing, and of course, here we sit. Well, the markets are rallying this morning, so I guess maybe the markets like it, but maybe it's just the fact that that money is so cheap, and maybe the markets are really not up what they appear to be up, and maybe that's even heading for a bigger disaster, but we'll see. Again, we don't make those predictions. We're just commenting on what's going on, but what is going on is the Dow's up 500, the NASDAQ is up 200, the S&P is up 68, and the Russell's up 167. We're short them all and not uncomfortable at all being there at the moment. I would expect this rally to fail. Now, I'm not going to say it's failed this minute or today, but I would expect them to be lower, and they are lower for the week, even with all the crazy, wild action that we're seeing. The real torture is under gold and silver and platinum as they get barbecued right now. Gold is back there around that 1800 level. I know we're in March where, I'm still looking at the Fed price, but March is 1803, right? So we're still at that ugliness of the metals getting just hammered. Silver's almost down almost $1. Okay. We are long gold and silver and would be long platinum. And of course, this is all related to, again, the stupidness and the ridiculous policies of the central banking system itself. And of course, the Federal Reserve. The crude is higher, but certainly not skyrocketing higher as you might expect. But certainly, we are at $87 a barrel. Okay, on our way to 100, if not higher. And the dollar is higher, which we are now long. And of course, we reversed our euro and dollar positions. Bitcoin continues to be under some small pressure, but trading at about 37,000, just a little bit under. Copper is under pressure today a little bit. We're still long. Nat gas is higher, and I'm surprised it's not a lot higher. We're still short, but I mean it's really colder. But again, we're getting towards the end of season, which does change the speed at which it will go up. Bonds and notes are soaring higher, and we are short both. But again, this is consistent with the idiocy of the Federal Reserve, and they should resume back going down as the yield curves are inverting, and we're seeing all these other issues out there that are happening. And as we take a look in the grain markets, corn is lower, soybeans are higher. We are long both. And wheat is under pressure once again, and we are long wheat now as well. In the protein complex, feeders are lower. We're short. Hogs are lower, and we're short. And cattle is lower, and we're short. So again, you're seeing, again, the selling pressure show up, and you can't come in and right now, right. And when you're looking at the overall views of what's going on here, is you've got the softs. Cotton is lower, we're long. Coffee is lower, we're long. Sugar is lower, we're long. Cocoa is lower, we're short. And OJ is exploding higher once again, and we're long. And we don't trade lumber, but lumber's been getting creamed and is back under 1,000. So, again, it's too thin, but it is something that is an indicator of the economy. So we'll see what happens. Look, again, at the end of the day, the Fed did exactly the wrong thing. And I think this rally is all artificial crap. And based on the algorithms, we're short. So I would expect that to be continuing. In the meantime, don't forget to check out our sponsors, which are listed below. And we'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.